How to change graphics on Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change graphics on Minecraft. Open Minecraft and click on Options. Here, you'll get to see an option that says Video Settings. So choose Video Settings. Then pick your graphics style. Fancy, fabulous, or fast. After that, select the one you like. Now, click on Done when you're finished. Remember to always download mods and resource packs from reputable sources to avoid malware or compatibility issues. Additionally, keep backups of your Minecraft files before installing mods or resource packs, as they can sometimes cause conflicts or other problems. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.